Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check call history on iPhone after deleted. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first thing first, you gotta access your settings of your phone. Now go ahead, scroll all the way to the down until you get your phone right over here. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you will find various kind of options among them, and if you come to the bottom section, you will have an additional option like calls on other devices. All you have to do is tap on it and simply toggle that on. That option will appear if you have other Apple devices in your household, then you can simply connect with. So when you have calls right over here, the history will appear there as well, because the calls and it is interconnected, right? Other thing that you can do is you can tap on this option of call forwarding, and simply you have to wait and simply turn this on. Now it will ask forward to. Simply tap on it and add in the number that you would like that call to be forwarded. Once it's forwarded, so if in case you have deleted your history right over here, in that forwarded number or cell or SIM, that call's history will be remaining, right? So those are the options for you to do so. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.